American magazine Consumer Reports on Monday published its latest Best Smartphone Cameras list, which has been updated with latest smartphones from the likes of manufacturers such as Apple and Samsung. Galaxy S9 Duo is set for review in March. The results reveal a favorable scenario for iPhone variants as the iPhone X, iPhone 8, and iPhone 8 Plus took the top 3 spots, while Samsung's Galaxy S8 came slightly behind the trio. Notably, there are no other manufacturers on the top 10 list except Samsung and Apple, with Google's Pixel range also nowhere to be seen. According to the best smartphone camera list, via 9 to 5 Mac, Consumer Reports has placed the iPhone X on the top spot, iPhone 8 on the second spot, and interestingly, the iPhone 8 Plus on the third spot. Following these is the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, iPhone 7, iPhone SIXS Plus, Galaxy S8, Galaxy Note 8, iPhone 7 Plus, and, lastly, the Galaxy S8 Active. While this list is representative of smartphone camera rankings, Consumer Reports states that there was unsubstantial difference between the performance of the top 10 handsets. For instance, the variations between the Galaxy S8, Galaxy S8 Plus, and Galaxy S8 Active are minimal, considering they sport the same camera sensors. The report, if nothing else, has quite a few unpopular opinions. For instance, no mention of Google's Pixel smartphones, sporting some of the best cameras in 2017, the placement of iPhone 8 above iPhone 8 Plus, clearly when the latter has an improved camera, and the placement of 2-generation-old iPhone SIXS Plus above the Galaxy S8 and Galaxy Note 8 are things that stand out of the list. Add to that, the massive presence of iPhone variants is strange on the publication that has been considered anti-Apple in the past.